How to turn off auto download in WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure to turn off auto download in WhatsApp. So all you need to do is launch open the device first of all and open up your WhatsApp application. So once you're logged into your WhatsApp, then what you need is click on the gear icon or the three dots from the top of the page, go to settings. So when you are taken to the settings page, what here you need to do is you simply want to go to storage and data and locate media upload quality. So what you need to do is here on this media auto download, you could find these auto download, so make sure to turn it off, and that should be able to help you out to turn off auto download in WhatsApp. And likewise, you could go to media auto download and make sure to unmark this, and once you've actually done it, so you could go ahead and disable all these options at the bottom as well. And that is how you will be able to turn off auto download in WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.